everyone, so today I have got an exciting video. I have got the Bluesky Advent Calendar. This went down in the Amazon sale from 50 something to £35. It is a 12-day Advent Calendar, so I just couldn't resist it. I couldn't resist it when it went down that cheap. Yeah, as you guys know, I absolutely love Bluesky gel polishes. I used to work with them on unboxings. I used to unbox them before I worked with them, unboxing of their subscription, and I absolutely love that subscription. I have paused it now because I'm like trying to lower my spends, but yeah, I absolutely love Bluesky. Yeah. So I'm very excited. So, but anyways, we're going to unbox this Advent Calendar. I know the formula of their gel polishes are very good because obviously I've purchased from Bluesky and I have worked with Bluesky on multiple occasions. Yeah, so I'm very excited about unboxing this Advent Calendar with you. And anyways, so at this price that this Advent Calendar costs, it works out at £3 per day. I am trying to work with my settings on my camera, so if it does that thing, I'm very, very sorry. I am trying to work with it because supposedly it's my settings, but I honestly haven't got a clue what it is. So I'm apologising in advance if it does it, but I'm trying my hardest to try and work out what it is. I'm not a tech savvy person. So it works out £3 per day, and it's got this really nice design where you turn it like this. I will try and do swatches and have them on the screen. I realised my swatches were very fast in the Miley one, so I'll try and make it a little bit slower. So anyways, we're going to turn. So to turn this away, it's day number 1. It has day number 1 here. I like this. It's quite a nice case. It's quite good quality. I would say the quality is there with this one, I must admit. It's it would be a lovely gift. It's very foamy. The thought has went into this one. So the first day we've got is in a silver accent. I'm very excited about this. Very excited. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Look at all the glitter on this. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to put it back in there. I'm going to do a little unboxing on my TikTok or something. So that was day number 1. We went day number 2. Looks like gold. Oh, so exciting. I've just done my nails. I've cut them right short because I'm decorating. This is in Joyful Gold. Oh my god, look how beautiful that looks. How stunning is that? Oh, I'm so excited about that. I'm so excited. So that was a Joyful Gold. Oh, I'm going to use all these in the month of December. That's so exciting. So we went day number 3. And we have got, I just don't want to lose my actual nails. We have got rich in green, but it's a blue, I'd say. So this is what the top looks like. This is what that looks like. Yeah, that's blue. I mean, it's a beautiful blue, but that's blue, you know? It's blue. Blue. Beautiful though. And I love Bluesky gel polish formula. And then 4. I love the design of this. Is this a little bit like Mac's Advent Calendar? So this is Believe in Magic. Oh. And this is all gel polishes, I believe. So you cannot go wrong. £3 per gel polish for Bluesky gel polish. This is stunning. This would be brilliant in spring. Everything seems to be very sparkly. So if you're not into a sparkly nail, this might not be for you because we have 4 sparklies. Number 5. Ooh, it looks like a purple. I'm not the biggest fan of purples. It's in Cherished in Moments. And this is what it looks like on the cap. Oh, I'm so glad I treated myself to this, you know. So glad. I was like, I don't need any more Bluesky gel polishes. Got loads, but then I was like, yes, I do. I just need all the gel polishes. All the gel polishes in my life. Bluesky, Miley, Mini Macaroon. Day number 6 is this one. Right, this looks something like I might have. Merry and Bright. I'm hoping all these polishes are exclusive to the calendar. and or maybe this year's Christmas collection, you know, so we're not getting any repeats that maybe we already own. This looks very similar to something I already own. This is like a pinky red with a little bit of shimmer. Gorgeous. That was 6. We want 7. We've got a green. We've got a green. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Right, this looks like more of a shimmer than a glitter. This is called Mountain Pines. This is the cap. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. Right, that was 7. We want 8. It looks like, now this looks like a blue. So I'm trying not to like chip my nails. It's easy to come out, but you know when you've just done your nails, it's just like, you don't want to. This one's called Sky at Night. It's like a blue. Oh, I love this. This would have been perfect for my nails, my last set of nails. Love, 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 love it. 8. We've got 4 days left. 9. We've got another purple. We have got Perfectly Wrapped. And this is the lid. Oh, it's shimmery by the looks of it. Ooh. Can't really see it, can you? That is it there. 9. We're on day number 10. We have got like a burgundy-ish. We have got Christmas sherry. All right, I love sherry. That was a drink of my choice when I was younger, which is very bizarre because it's like an older person's drink. And that is the colour there. I wonder if I would like it now. It's been years since I've had a sherry. I did love a sherry. I might get some for Christmas. And that is it there. Absolutely beautiful. And that was day number 10. We went to day number 11. Let's have a look. We've got a classic red and it's called Santa's Hat. This looks very nice, very nice. Oh, it's so exciting. Oh, what a beautiful red. The Miley had like a red like this and just a nice classic red, which is very exciting. Oh, it's beautiful. It's such a bargain. I'm so glad I got it at such a bargain. Actually, the Miley one is actually reduced down to like 30 something pound on. Look fantastic now if you're after that one. So day number 12 looks like a white, which I think is for snow. And this is Snow is Falling. And this is, oh God, no, this isn't a white. Now I'm due a new white. I always use wet swimsuit. That's basically what my snowflakes are made out of. Bluesky's wet swimsuit. But I'm very excited to try this because this looks very opaque. Yeah, and that is the Bluesky Advent Calendar. Now this is from Amazon. I purchased this from Amazon. But I think you can get it on the Bluesky website and stuff like that. But at the minute it's cheap on Amazon. Like it's reduced on Amazon for the Black Friday deals. I got this for $35.99. Works out at £3 a day. Bargain. Absolutely chuffed with this. Like absolutely chuffed with this. Yeah, so I think that's a bargain. If you like gel polishes, every single day is a gel polish. You're not getting no filler days or anything like that. If you just want a 100% no nail files, no chrome powders Advent Calendar, that is the one to get. Definitely, because that is just gel polish. Fab, fab, fab. I love that. I was saying earlier on in the year, I hope they bring out an Advent Calendar, and they did. So I'm very, very excited. I'm very happy with that. Yeah. And I love the packaging. I think I'm going to keep that and have that in my nail room for the Christmas. My nail room. It's a cupboard. My nail cupboard. Yeah. But thank you so much. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, and thank you for sticking with me with all my camera problems. It's actually literally had to happen when I film the most videos out of the year. So I don't want to miss uploading for you guys. So I'm trying my hardest. and hopefully I can work it out over the after Christmas, once I've got time, when I'm not uploading virtually every day. Yeah, so anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.